Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Welcome to your new class. Students, today we will start chapter 1, sets. First of all, grab your copy, pencil and your textbook to write important points, definitions and terminologies. This is the first chapter of your book. You have already studied about sets in your previous classes. So let's have a look at these images. What do you think about them? We have a bunch of keys, a school of fish, a group of letters, a pile of books, and bunch of flowers. The one thing that can be seen in common is that everything is in the form of group or set. Now students, learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, students, you will be able to define and evaluate the term set and the ways to write set. And well, that's the topic for today, sets. But what exactly is a set? Set can be formed of anything that can be well defined or distinct. Now let's see, what do you mean by well defined and distinct? Let's take an example, a set of numbers from 1 to 10. Now this is well defined. You can list all these numbers. Also, let's consider another example, a set of smart students or a set of generous people. Can this be considered as a set? No, not exactly. Right, because here smart or generous people cannot be defined or measured. Or you can see these are relative terms because the meaning of these words will change from individual to individual. Hence, we cannot make a set of these situations. Let's take a simple example, a set of all the letters that comes after T. So what all letters will be there? U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Yes. So this can be also called as a set. Right? Let's see few more examples. If we can form a set of them or not. The first is states of India. Can we form this set? Yes, because there are 29 states in India and you can list all of them. The second one is strong students in a class. Well, this cannot be a set. This is relative term. But suppose here, if I will add a condition like students who weigh more than 50 kg are to be considered as strong, can now be form the set? Yes. Now we have a numbers, a quantity or a well defined and distinct property that we can use and form this set. Right? Let's see the next one. Students who have scored 70% and above in last semester. Yes, you can form the set of this. Collection of great people in the world again. Again, great is relative term. We cannot form a set of this. So I hope by now you know what are sets and in which conditions we can form a set or cannot form a set. Let's move the next step. So how do we present these sets? There are two different ways to write these sets. One is listing method or also known as roster method. The second is rule method or known as set builder methods. Let's see what roster or listing method is. If I want the set of all letters in the word mathematics, how will I write it? Then, well, this is very simple method. Let's look at this in a little more detail. All the letters in the brace or a curly bracket are known as elements. A or any letter can be used to represent the set. However, there's one tiny mistake that is there in this set. The elements in this set can never repeat it. Every element appears just once in a set. Hence, the solution of this set of all the letters in the word mathematics will be A is equals to curly bracket M A T H E I C S curly bracket closed. This is how we present a set in a rooster method or listing method. Now, since just we have listed all the letters is the reason why it is known as listing method. Next can be a set of all the days in a week or set of rainbow colors, etc. We have also been a set in the previous classes, but just we never knew that is set. A set of natural numbers, a set of whole numbers, a set of integers, etc. Set is used in a variety of ways in mathematics, but you will see that is in future session. So now I believe you can make any set using the listing method. Now what happened when I ask you to form a set of all the whole numbers between 0 to 10,000? Can you use this listing method to list all these whole numbers? No. Right. Hence we have this rule method or set building method. Now since we are building a particular set instead of writing all the elements in the set, this is known as set building method. Set builder form is written like this and is read as A is a set of x such that x belongs to whole numbers and x is greater than 0 and less than 10,000. It means x is between 0 to 10,000. This is a little bit different. So try another example. Now we represent the set of all letters in a word mathematics in the form of set builder form. Can we represent the set of all letters in a word mathematics in the form of set builder form? Well, yes. Let's name this set as B. So B is a set of all x. X is the letter of word mathematics. Every set can be represented in the set builder form. Try a few of these set in the form of listing form as well as set building form. Now why this method is known as rule method? Here we have added certain condition in this set. This is the reason why this is also known as rule method. So students, till now we have seen that what is a set, things that can form a set and the ways to represent the set. In coming session we will see what are the different types of set and also about the Venn diagram. I hope this session was useful to you. Now students, this is your home assignment. You have to learn some important sets like set of natural numbers which is represented by capital N, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Whole numbers capital W which is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Then set of integers capital Z which is equal to 0, positive 1, 2, 3 up to so on and as well as negative 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Then set of positive prime number which is denoted by P, capital P, इज इक्वल्स टू 2, 3, 5, 7, 1। जैसा कि आपको पता है कि प्राइम नंबर्स कौन से होते हैं, जो सिर्फ अपने ही टेबल पर जाते हैं, अपने अलावा किसी और टेबल पर नहीं जाते। सेट ऑफ इवन नंबर जो 2 के टेबल पर जाते हैं, यानी 0, 2, 4, 6। सेट ऑफ रैशनल नंबर, यानी वो इसको रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं कैपिटल Q से, और इसमें वो नंबर्स आ जाते हैं जो अपॉन में होते हैं, यानी फ्रैक्शंस में जो होते हैं। इरेशनल में जो फ्रैक्शंस में नहीं होते, और रियल नंबर में जो फ्रैक्शन में होते हैं और जो फ्रैक्शन में नहीं होते नंबर्स, वो सारे ही शामिल हो जाते हैं रियल नंबर के सेट में। तो ये सारे सेट जो हैं आपको याद करने हैं, ठीक है। तो ये आपने बहुत अच्छी तरह से सारे याद करने हैं और याद करके अपनी कॉपी में लिखने हैं। और क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 लिख करना है आपने, उसके सारे पार्ट्स एक्सरसाइज 1.1 के। ये आपका होम असाइनमेंट है, आपने इसको नीट कॉपी में बहुत नीट और क्लीन सॉल्व करना है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज़।